I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on the Edge Explore and confirming basic settings so navigation will work reliably. First, charge the device fully and pair your phone via Garmin Connect. This syncs maps and activities. Next, install a micro SD for extra maps if needed, and mount the unit stiffly to the handlebar so vibrations don't shift the screen. Once done, set time zone and unit SO distance and cadence readouts match your expectations before you begin routing. Now you'll create and refine a route and understand routing behavior. Use Garmin Connect to plan a course, add waypoints for turns or viewpoints, then sync to the edge. Alternatively, create a route on device using the Create Course function. Make sure you select the appropriate map profile, cycling or gravel, because routing algorithms differ. Also check guidance settings. Choose bike paths or fastest time depending on terrain, and preview turn-by-turn prompts so you know how alerts will appear during the ride. Begin your ride by confirming GPS lock and that speed/cadence sensors are connected. That prevents data gaps. During the ride, glance at navigation prompts and swipe to data pages when you need different metrics. When finished, stop and save the activity, rename if desired, and sync to Garmin Connect to backup routes and analyze performance. If navigation or GPS fails, restart the unit, toggle GLONASS or Galileo support, and allow a few minutes for satellites to require. Most issues clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.